right at Grandma's. Friday, I don't even know what it is, 22nd, something like that. Got up here, but before we left, our new car's good to go, but our old SUV battery was dead again. Brand new battery. Alternator's fine, but apparently there's something draining it. So we get to Grandma's, her phone line's dead, but her internet works. Doesn't make any sense, never does up here. That's why we call it the hill. And now it's raining / snowing, which doesn't make any sense either, because it's way above freezing. But not on the hill. It's the weirdest thing, man. Weirdest thing. This place has got some kind of power that, yeah, anyway. Hard to tell, but it's snowing out. Grandma doesn't need to be up here. Anyway. That's all wet. Alright. Just getting ready to start chopping some wood. We're not going to spend too much time up here today since our other car is dead. We're going to try and get it fixed. See you guys.